Ukuchila bandleni umfana kagama lo. Hey guys, yo, ndishokhethe impela ndishokhethe. Azama ukuthetha isiXhosa kaloku safa ukuthi nje ndiyabulela man. Ndiyabulela isupport yenu guys. Sesibhekile apha sesifike safika la ku 200 subscribers. Indlela yona isasinde. Ey'nyangeni ezimbili nje. Ayazini guys, in 2 months I acquired 200 subscribers. That is a lot for me. Listen, I'm glad that you guys like my content and you guys are entertained by me and my, all the things that I would say sometimes. But yeah, man, thank you guys, man. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.